Well, brace yourselves for this shocker. Did you know that the average person spends a staggering 6 months of their life cleaning? Yes, you heard that right. 6 whole months of your existence wasted on scrubbing, dusting, and vacuuming. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? All that time you could have spent doing anything more productive, like, I don't know, mastering the art of couch potatoing. Now, let's delve into the comedic tragedy of human cleaning habits, shall we? Picture this. A man is proudly scrubbing away at his kitchen counter with the same sponge he's been using since the dawn of time. A sponge so old and grimy, it's probably home to a few undiscovered species of bacteria. The man, in his infinite wisdom, believes he's making his kitchen sparkle like a newly polished diamond. In reality, he's just giving his counter a nice, thorough coating of E. coli and salmonella. Oh, the irony. It's like trying to clean a wine stain with red wine. You're not fixing the problem, you're just making it more visible. But hey, at least you're having fun, right? After all, what's a little food poisoning between friends? And then there's the Hoover, that magical device that promises to suck up all the dirt and grime from your floors. But let's be real, how many times have you vacuumed over that same piece of lint, hoping that on the 17th pass it might finally get sucked up? Instead, you just end up kicking it under the couch and calling it a day. Out of sight, out of mind, right? But perhaps my favorite cleaning faux pas is the good old sniff test. You know what I'm talking about. That moment when you pick up a shirt from the floor, give it a quick sniff, and if it doesn't make your eyes water, it's good for another wear. Who needs laundry when your nose can do all the work? So, in conclusion, I encourage you to continue your creative cleaning habits. Go ahead, spread those germs around like it's a party and they're all invited. Keep hoarding those ancient sponges. And remember, if you can't see the dirt, it doesn't exist. After all, life's too short to spend it cleaning. And who knows, maybe that new strain of bacteria you're cultivating could be the next big scientific discovery. You're not a lousy cleaner, you're just a misunderstood scientist. So carry on with your experiments and remember, cleanliness is overrated.